Alright. What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be unboxing this Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel, which I got for $99. I know you see this reflection right now, so I'm just gonna jump right in and unbox this. This piece. This must be the racing wheel. And the pedal. I'm gonna try to set it up right now. Cool. So is this how a real Ferrari steering wheel looks like? I gotta check it out. This is like the actual size because it's small. I'm changing up the way I'm doing these unboxings. What do you guys think? You know, I'm always trying to make better content. So it connects via USB attachment system. Oh, okay. In between my table. There we go. This is so cool. Alright, I didn't even think about where I would place the steering wheel, but it goes on the table. Check that out. Alright, which way is this going again? This way. Yep. Now that I have this set up, it's even got this paddle shifters right here. I just have to connect it to my Xbox. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, so here we got the steering wheel. It's got the little honk, which does not honk. And yeah, this is how it is connected. Just squished right in. This cable right here for the foot pedals, it actually goes in the steering wheel. It does not go in the Xbox. I was trying to do that and it's not an Ethernet cable, so let's see. How does this work? How do I navigate through this? This? Oh, it does work. There's the home button right over here. When I press this, it's gonna say if I wanna go home. This right here is, you see these arrows? It's to go up and down, and I was trying to figure out how to do that the whole time. So besides that, this right here is to select go home, and let's say I wanna play, of course it's gonna be a racing game. Press here, and then go here. I wanna play Forza 4, because that game I got for free. You see? It's pretty simple once you get used to it. Go back, go home, and then the select button is this one? Yeah, it is. Now I'm gonna jump back to the game. Voila. Actually, I think it is aluminum. It's cold. This is plastic. And these are all the buttons right here. Pretty much, the whole thing is made out of plastic besides this side part and this. So, I've got it to work. I'm playing games on it right now. And the only problem is, don't mind my sockless feet, this, when I press it, you see it goes in the front. That's the only problem I have right now. Maybe if I put this on like a wooden floor or something, you know, it might change. But the only way I can do it is put my feet here and then, you know, not let it move anywhere, like anchor it with my other feet. And then right here, the paddle shifters work as well. I'm in first gear, second gear. It's pretty instant. You know, it's really cool. All from the thing right here. Yeah, it's pretty cool.